All right, lesson 3.3 is on pages 75 through 78. Our new skills here are just continue to work on different page setups. So you will go to Schoology and download the 3.3 source document, and then you will save it as 3.3 skeletal system. For step 4A, you're going to insert 3 blank rows before row 1, and then type the text skeletal system in cell A1, and in cell A2 of the human body. Step 4B, bold cells A1 and A2, and change the font size to 14. Step 4C, bold and italicize row 4. Step 4D, merge and center cell A1 across columns A and B. Step 4E, merge and center cell A2 across columns A and B. Step 4F, change the height of rows 5 through 22 to a height of 20. Step 4G, select cells A1 through B22 to set that as your print area. Step 5, from the Page Layout tab, under the Sheet Options group, for grid lines, you want to have a checkbox in front of print, and in headings, you want to have a check mark in front of print. You can now save this document, and then once again print to the library.